Hi, in this video we are going to check out how do we use the report section of Tradetron. So if you want to access the reports of Tradetron, just go to the top button called reports and you will be able to get the data of all the reports that you have that are generated on Tradetron. Now these reports are basically the stats of how your strategies have performed over time. Now you can basically give a date range of when you would like to have this stats for, or you can give a particular timing like this month, last month, this year, and so on, or a custom date range. Now when you select on more, you will be able to see more filters that you can add. So you can check only for NFO strategies or MCX strategies and so on. You can also select specific creators and specific strategy names and brokers and so on. So when you select any particular combination of your filter, just click on filter and you will be able to see all the strategies that you have available for that particular filter and for all the deployment type that you have made. Now I have one particular filter that I'll show you. I have this one strategy that was a marketplace strategy. So now let's see what are the details that can be seen for this particular report. So when you deploy a marketplace strategy, it will basically show you the date of the deployment. So this report is generated on a date basis. So every day that strategy was deployed, it will show you all the details of that particular deployment. It will also show you which deployment ID is it talking about. So let's say if you have multiple deployments of the same strategy in different brokers, it will show you both the deployment IDs on the same day. Um, you can then see the deployment type if it was live auto, paper trading, live offline, and so on. And you can see the gross PNL. Now, gross PNL is the cumulated PNL of the entire strategy up till the latest day. And you will also see PNL change. So PNL change is nothing but the change in PNL from the previous day. On this day, you can see there was a loss of around 1,118 rupees. However, the gross PNL is basically adjusting for this 28 rupee profit and so on. So now, let's say if you have deployed any strategy on let's say if you have deployed a marketplace strategy and you find that on a particular day, let's assume on this particular day there was a loss due to an error execution. Let's say you forgot to manage the error execution on time, so this loss was visible due to the error execution. However, the loss that you're seeing out here is different from the loss that you are seeing on your broker account. Let's say at this point you are seeing a loss of 3,000, but for some reason it is showing only a loss of 2,600, which means that there is a difference of 400 rupees. In that case, in such case of a difference, what you can do is you can send a request for an adjustment, which means that you can tell the creator that even though it's 2,600 written out here, my loss is a little more than that or a little less than that, or the profit is a little more than that or less than that, and so on. And you can generate a request for an adjustment. So I'll just show you how to generate the adjustment request. So just click on this blue color adjust button and you will be able to see the PNL that you can put in. So let's say my loss was 3,000 at this point. So I can just click on my PNL. Now if it was a loss, you have to select minus 3,000. If it was a profit, you can select plus or not select anything. So since I was having a loss, I can select minus 3,000 and I can select request adjustment. Now, very often the creator will also want to know why you are putting this adjustment request. So you can put in a reason as needed. So you can tell the creator why you are generating this request. So let's assume I had an error execution. So I'll just put in error execution, and your creator will be able to help you with the adjustment request. Just click on request adjustment and you are done. So now your adjustment request has reached the creator. Now I'll show you how it looks like from the creator's perspective. So when someone generates a request for an adjustment, the adjustment request is basically coming to your my subscribers page. So let's assume if I am the creator, on the adjustment request page I will get a new notification out here. Now this is one of my own strategy, and out here you can see I have generated an adjustment request. So when I'm on that strategy, it will basically come out here as an adjustment request. You'll be able to see the name, the name of the person who's requested it, the date, um, the PNL, that was visible, and the actual PNL that was written by the requested user, and the reason that it was there. So reason was given as test, and it will show you on what day was that requestment made. Out here you will get a button where you can approve or deny that request. So once you approve or deny that request, the amount will be changed in that particular report, and you'll be able to proceed with your strategies. So I hope this video helped. If you have other topics that you want us to cover in other videos, feel free to drop us the same in the comments below, and we would be happy to take it up in future videos. Thank you.